So I thought I would start off with a very appropriate story for today with all of the power outages that we are having and that we have seen over the last few days. And who could forget January's ice storm? Well, now one city is looking for a new way for people to be able to report those power outages. New Albany Light, Gas, and Water has a new way to report outages. Now, this is a map of their coverage area. So this applies to the people who live in this box, if you will. They're looking at what's called a hometown grid. It is a web-based AI-powered system that replaces the old busy signal problem. What you do is you call in and an automated system answers immediately. You tell it your address, give it a quick description, and then the crews will get those details instantly. No waiting on dispatch. You will also get a text confirming your report, and you can track those outages on a live map. This service costs $2,500 up front, plus it's got a $1,500 a month fee. And they say that the existing dispatchers are not going anywhere. They're not losing their jobs because we still need them. Customers can call the same number they've always called, 662-534-1041. You can also try to call that new line. That's the 888 number that you see there on your screen. You can also report by voice or by text. Thought that was a really cool story, especially on a day like today. $1.3 billion. That is the price tag on 170 construction projects currently underway at Ole Miss. Chancellor Glenn Boyce says the work will shape the university for decades, calling it advancing our mission. Big ones to know: a new student housing at Kincannon and West Row, and a new school of accountancy building set for the spring of 2029. A few renderings here. A new parking structure and data center upgrade, both expected to finish early next year. Beyond the campus, though, several fraternities and sorority houses are also under construction or renovation, including some new houses for Alpha Chi Omega and Sigma Alpha Epsilon. So as the heat continues, the Tupelo Salvation Army needs your help. Their cooling and their hydration stations are open, but they are running low on water, so they need bottled water. If you would like to donate, you can drop it off at the Salvation Army on Carnation Street in Tupelo. Also, their cooling station is open Monday through Friday, 10 to 1, and then again at 1 to 3. Sorry, 10 to 1 and 3 to 5. There we go. The hydration station is open Monday through Friday from 9 to 5. All right, that is a look at your news on this very rainy and stormy Thursday. For Mississippi Live, I'm Emily Leonard.